Hi there, how are we doing today? I've got this product here, Jenolite Stop Leak Sealer. It's a spray what goes round. I've got a slight little leak on my sunroof air vent in my campervan, and it's only slight, but I'll see if this works or not. Not sponsored or anything, I saw it on Amazon. So this is where it's leaking from, just like here, and then it dribbles down and makes this damp, but it's all dry at the moment now. And it was very slightly dampish here, but not leaking or anything. I did put another sealant round, but it still kind of went. But on the other side, up top here, perfectly dry all the way round. So it hasn't like leaked underneath and gone around, and it's just where my fingernail is actually where the metal is. So I know it was that side of it, and it'll come round and then go onto the sponge. So hopefully I'll put this round, a couple of coats, and then hopefully we'll wait till the storm, we'll have another video and see if it's worked or not. So at first I thought it was the force of the water coming along in here, so I made a kind of a wall barrier across to stop the speed going underneath there. I don't know if it would be that. This stuff is absolutely fabulous, but I think I used a different product originally underneath. This is OB1, a polymer, but it must be just a little leak somewhere, but not right sure. So I'm going to spray all along here and see how it does. So in the instructions it says you have to shake it very vigorously. So I've already done that. And here we go. So I'll try to get an even coat all the way around. To be honest, I thought it would have been more of a fan than just like that. You know, like how if you're doing carpets, that carpet glue, I thought it'd be like that. But we'll give it a go. So I'm going all the way round. So it's going into the nooks and crannies. So we'll let this dry for a little bit and then we'll come back and do another coat. So here I am, I'm going to do the second coat along. But like I say, I wish the spray was like a fan spray. So we'll leave it at that, let that dry, and then we'll wait till the storm comes and see if it leaks. So we are here next day, and it did rain quite a lot last night. So that's completely dry at the moment. I can't feel no dampness whatsoever, even anywhere. Because I was going to put a spray along there, but I thought I'll see if I can test it first before I put the surrounding edges on. So we'll have a look up. Well, hopefully it all completely dry before rain came. So we'll have a look at top. So here we are at top. As you can, I don't know if you can just see, you can tell the difference where it has sprayed. So it must have hardened before the actual rain came. It looks like there isn't a right lot of rain here, but it's been actually quite warm after I've come back from work. If you can see, there's still quite a bit here and on top of the solar panel as well. So by the looks, it might have worked. Fingers crossed. I'll do an update. Any more torrential rain or anything, keep an eye on it. Because to be honest, I'd like to third coating. But if that's enough, it's okay. And I did buy a twin pack on Amazon to make it actually, it wasn't that much more for the twin pack than it was the single one. So I did save quite a bit of money, so I'm off to do a few others anyway for precautionary. Anyway, to spray. But that's Jenolite original stop leaks sealant, and apparently you can paint over the top of this as well. So it says this is a clear version. They do a black version and some other coloured versions as well, but you can spray over there. But I thought, just as a preventional, actually I've got a plan for it as well. Just thought now on my, because it's a Fiat Ducato and it leaks in a bit on the ceiling and top of the engine, so I might try that. I'll share that with you later on. So thanks for watching. Any comments below? Please let me know.